Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and I just want to give a huge shout out to this Tempurpedic pillow. This is such an amazing pillow and it's going to make you sleep so well. You guys, we all know that the TEMPUR material is just amazing for comfort. It's so great for relieving all of those pressure points and just making you feel great, sleep great, feel amazing the next morning. This pillow in particular is so cool because it has a cooling gel cover that goes around the entire pillow, so it's going to keep it cool to the touch. So this is just, it always helps me sleep better having a cool pillow. I know you know, a lot of times you're flipping back and forth to the other side of the pillow looking for the cool side. You don't have to do that anymore because both sides of this pillow are going to be nice and cool and they're going to stay that way all night long. This cover is really nice because it's removable and totally machine washable, so that's just super nice feature, really convenient, easy way to keep things nice and clean. This pillow comes in 2 different sizes and 2 different profiles as well, so regardless of how you sleep at night, there's going to be an amazing pillow for you. There's queen size and king size, and there's also high and low profiles. The profile is really going to be the size of that gusset on the side. High profile, I definitely recommend, like I'm a side sleeper and I really need that high profile to keep my neck from, you know, kind of being down. So I love the high profile one. Larger frame people as well, even if you sleep on your back, you're probably going to want to go for a high profile as well. Everyone else might experiment with a low profile, but this is an amazing pillow and it's going to be right in that medium range, the, you know, kind of Goldilocks zone for not too firm, not too soft. This is going to be exactly perfect. If you are looking for a new pillow, thinking about a new pillow, definitely put this one in your cart. You're gonna be so glad that you did. Every time you invest in your sleep, it's gonna be totally worth it.